Let's explore Sarnia. Sarnia is a city in Ontario, Canada, located on the eastern shore of Lake Huron. It is the largest city in Lambton County and the second largest in the county of Huron. The city has a population of around 71,000 people and is known for its diverse economy, which includes chemical production, manufacturing, and agriculture. Sarnia is also home to several universities and colleges, including Lambton College and the University of Western Ontario Research Park. The city is also known for its beautiful waterfront, which features several parks, marinas, and recreational areas, as well as a boardwalk and a lighthouse. Visitors can also enjoy a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and boating. Sarnia is also home to many historical and cultural attractions, such as the Sarnia Historical Museum, which is dedicated to preserving the history of the city and the surrounding region. The Museum of Ontario Archaeology is also located in the city, which is dedicated to showcasing the rich history of the area's Indigenous people. The city is also home to the Judith and Amp, Norman Alex Art Gallery, which showcases works by local and national artists. The city is also known for its vibrant arts and culture scene, with a variety of annual festivals and events throughout the year, including the Sarnia Bay Fest Music Festival, the Sarnia International Film Festival, and the Sarnia Children's Festival. Sarnia is a friendly and vibrant city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for outdoor activities, cultural experiences, or a taste of history, Sarnia has plenty to offer visitors and residents alike. Top 10 places in Sarnia. 1. Canatara Park is a popular park in Sarnia, Ontario, with a variety of attractions, including a beach, picnic areas, walking trails, gardens, petting zoo, and sports fields. The park also hosts events and festivals in the summer, making it a popular destination for families and outdoor enthusiasts. With its scenic views and recreational amenities, Canatara Park offers a great escape from the city. 2. Sarnia Bay Marina is a popular spot for boaters and waterfront recreation in Sarnia, Ontario. It offers slips for transient and seasonal boaters, with amenities like electrical hookups, fuel dock, and a convenience store. There are also picnic areas, fishing docks, and a park with a playground and beach area. The marina provides a peaceful and picturesque setting for visitors to enjoy the beauty of Lake Huron. 3. The Blue Water Bridge is a suspension bridge that spans the St. Clair River, connecting the city of Sarnia, Ontario, Canada to Port Huron, Michigan, USA. It is a major international crossing and one of the busiest border crossings in North America. The bridge offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape and serves as a key trade route for commercial vehicles transporting goods between the two countries. It is also a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors who come to admire the bridge's architecture and engineering. 4. The Imperial Theatre is a historic performing arts venue located in the heart of Sarnia, Ontario. The theatre has a rich history, having been built in 1914 and serving as a cultural center for the community for over a century. It features a beautiful, ornate interior and offers a range of events and performances, including plays, concerts, dance performances, and more. The Imperial Theatre is an important cultural landmark in Sarnia, providing a stage for local talent and a gathering place for the community. 5. The Sarnia Farmers Market is a vibrant, weekly market that showcases the best local produce, artisanal foods, and handmade goods. The market is held in the heart of Sarnia and offers a diverse selection of fresh produce, baked goods, specialty foods, and handmade crafts. Visitors can also enjoy live music and other entertainment, making the market a lively and festive gathering place for the community. The Sarnia Farmers Market is a great place to taste, shop and support local farmers, artisans, and entrepreneurs. 6. Centennial Park is a beautiful public park located in the heart of Sarnia, Ontario. The park covers over 100 acres and features a wide range of recreational facilities, including picnic areas, playgrounds, sports fields, walking paths, and more. The park is also home to the Sarnia Historical Museum, which offers a glimpse into the city's rich history. Centennial Park is a popular destination for families and outdoor enthusiasts, providing a peaceful and natural setting for recreation and relaxation. 7. Sarnia Golf and Amp Curling Club is a recreational facility offering golfing and curling activities. It features an 18-hole golf course, curling rinks, a pro shop, dining options, and event spaces. The club strives to provide a welcoming atmosphere for members and guests while promoting sportsmanship and community involvement. 8. Lawrence House Centre for the Arts is a community arts center in Sarnia, Ontario. It offers visual and performing arts programs, exhibitions, and workshops for people of all ages and skill levels. The center features galleries, studios, and a theater, and works to promote local artists and art forms, as well as to foster an appreciation for the arts in the community. 9. Brights Grove Beach is a popular recreational area located in Sarnia, Ontario. It is known for its sandy beach, clear water, and scenic views of Lake Huron. The beach offers picnic areas, playgrounds, and showers, as well as plenty of opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and other water activities. It is a popular destination for local residents and visitors alike, and is open to the public for free. 10. Hiawatha Horse Park is a horse racing facility located in Sarnia, Ontario. It offers live horse racing and simulcast wagering, as well as a variety of dining and entertainment options. The park features a grandstand, clubhouse, and outdoor seating areas, and is a popular destination for horse racing fans, as well as for those looking for a fun day out. The park is open year-round, with live races typically running from May to October. Thanks for watching.